Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can find your wallet address in Robinhood. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Robinhood app from your home screen. So once you open it, you need to type in your pin code number and you will end up in this page. So once you're in this kind of interface, all you need to do is simply tap on hamburger like icon on the left hand side of the corner. Once you're in this page, now you need to tap on the receive option, and once you tap it on, you will end up in this interface. From here you can select any of the Bitcoin or any of the crypto you want to trade. Once you tap it on, you will receive this kind of interface, which is the Robinhood wallet address. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.